Did you know that every time you binge-watch Netflix, navigate with Google Maps, or ask Alexa a question, you're relying on artificial intelligence? But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? Let's break it down in a way that's simple and easy to understand. Welcome to Infinity Learning, where we turn complex ideas into clear, actionable knowledge. Today, we're exploring one of the most transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll look at what AI is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can think and learn like humans. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize faces, solve problems, or even drive a car. That's AI in action. In simple terms, AI is about making machines smarter. Instead of following rigid instructions, AI learns from data, adapting and improving as it encounters new information. Think of AI as your personal assistant. It knows what you like, learns from your behavior, and helps you solve problems faster and more efficiently. So, how does AI actually work? It all starts with data. Imagine you're teaching an AI to recognize cats. You give it thousands of pictures of cats. This is the data. The AI then uses algorithms, which are like sets of instructions, to find patterns in the data, like recognizing fur, whiskers, and ears. Through a process called training, the AI improves over time. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. This is known as machine learning, where machines get better at tasks as they process more information. The result? An AI that can identify cats with incredible accuracy or solve other problems it's trained for, like predicting traffic or answering your questions. But why is AI such a big deal? It's because AI is transforming our world. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier by analyzing medical scans. In business, it powers chatbots that assist millions of customers at once. And in entertainment, it creates personalized recommendations, so you always find something you love. AI isn't just making life easier, it's solving problems we couldn't tackle before. From designing new medicines to predicting natural disasters, AI is a tool that's helping us achieve the impossible. And the best part, we're only scratching the surface of what AI can do. So, to recap, AI is the technology that powers much of the modern world. It learns from data, improves through training, and helps solve real-world problems. From self-driving cars to disease detection, AI is shaping the future, and we're living right in the middle of its revolution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into AI and technology. Let me know in the comments. What's the most exciting use of AI you've seen? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.